Tesla's cabin camera system is a critical safety feature that monitors driver attention during autopilot use. When you see the cabin camera is covered or blinded warning, it means the system cannot properly see the driver. The cabin camera is located above the rearview mirror in your Tesla. This small but sophisticated camera serves multiple important functions for vehicle safety and autonomous driving capabilities. The cabin camera serves four primary functions: driver attention monitoring during autopilot, safety compliance with regulations, theft protection through Sentry mode, and data collection for future autonomous driving development. The most common cause of the cabin camera warning is physical obstructions. These include sunglasses with reflective lenses, face masks covering facial features, hats with wide brims, and dust or debris on the camera lens itself. Environmental factors can also trigger the warning. Direct sunlight creates glare and overexposure. Extreme low light conditions make it difficult for the camera to see, and rapid lighting changes like entering tunnels can temporarily blind the system. In rare cases, software glitches or hardware malfunctions can cause the warning. However, since 2023, Tesla has significantly enhanced the system with artificial intelligence to reduce false positives by over 50%, making the warnings more accurate and reliable. Understanding these causes helps you quickly identify and resolve cabin camera warnings. The system is essential for Tesla's autonomous driving features and your safety, so keeping the camera clear and unobstructed ensures optimal performance. The first step in troubleshooting your Tesla's cabin camera warning is to physically inspect and clean the camera lens. The camera is located above your rearview mirror. Use a clean microfiber cloth to gently wipe the camera lens. Remove any dust, fingerprints, or debris that might be blocking the camera's view. Next, check for personal items that might be interfering with the camera. Remove or adjust sunglasses, hats, and face masks that could be blocking the camera's view of your face. If cleaning and adjusting items doesn't work, try a soft reset. Hold both steering wheel scroll buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds to restart the system. Ensure your Tesla's software is up to date. Go to Settings, then Software to check for and install any available updates that might fix camera-related issues. If the warning persists, adjust your driving position to minimize glare and backlighting. Use sun visors and ensure proper lighting conditions for optimal camera performance. As a last resort, try power cycling your vehicle. Park safely, exit the car, lock it, and wait at least 5 minutes before returning. This performs a complete system reset. If none of these solutions work, the issue may be hardware-related. Schedule a service appointment with Tesla, though hardware failures are rare, and most camera issues can be resolved through these troubleshooting steps.